Hello and welcome to 411 South Brooks Avenue in DeLand, Florida. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath home has 1,240 square feet, sits on 0.28 acres, is very well updated, has a huge fenced backyard, and we are super close to downtown DeLand and everything DeLand has to offer. Come on, let's go take a look at this beautiful home. So that concludes our tour of this beautiful home today. If you have additional questions about this home, any home in the DeLand or throughout the Metro Orlando area, simply pick up the phone and give us a call. Thanks for watching.